Almost 1 out of 3 UK visa applications from Nigerians get refused. Hold on, let me explain. This is not because the UK hates Nigerians, but because of simple avoidable mistakes. I am Polycarp, the managing director of Polytravis. Today, I'm going to show you simple reasons why visas applications fail and how you can avoid it and make sure that yours is not one of them. In 2024 alone, over 130,000 Nigerians applied for visas, UK visas, and the refusal rate for visitor visas passed 30%. That is not a small risk, right? You agree with me that it's not a small risk. What does this mean? This means out of 3 Nigerians that applied for UK visa, at least 1 person was refused. And what it means is that people lose their money and their travel plans. And here is the part that stinks the most. If you get refused, you do not get back your money. Your money is gone. And as we're speaking right now, the fees have just raised up. In April 2026, this month we are. So why does this keep happening? From what we see every day here at Polytravis, they are as follows. 1, weak proof of tie to Nigerians. The embassy need to believe you are returning back to Nigeria. 2, inconsistent financial document. The numbers that did not match in your bank statement or your salary or story or how you make your money is part of the reasons. 3, generic copy and paste over letters. Copying and paste over of cover letters and other letters is part of the reasons. Maybe because the letter is supposed to properly prove your travel purpose and explain it in details. But you copy and paste, maybe just remove 1 or 2, but it's not properly written to specifically for your own purpose of travel. 4, missing or improperly or poorly explained sponsorship document. Like out of the sponsorship document that you presented, maybe 1 or 2 out of them are the reason behind it. But the embassy will not tell you that this particular one is the reason. They will just tell you your visa has been refused on so ground. But the particular document that caused the problem, they will not let you know. They're not telling you that. It's left for you to fix it out. And that is just the problem. But there is a good news. Every one of these is fixable before you submit and not after you are refused or you have already submitted. That is literally what we do here at Polytravis. Every single day, we review your documents, spot the gaps and errors, mistakes, and then tell you how to fix them. We can as well help you apply for these visas. If you feel you cannot get them right yourself and you need a professional expert, we can assist you achieve that. And this is why we are here. Always contact Polytravis to assist you to scale through all of these things without mistakes. Thanks for watching.